I made my grandmother's delicious chicken sambal recipe for dinner tonight. For the first step, you will need to marinate your chicken with a little salt and turmeric. You will need to fry your chicken pieces for a few minutes until it's half cooked. For the sambal, blend together some white and red onions together with some ginger, garlic, galangal and lemongrass. Then fry up some lemongrass for a few seconds and then go in with your blended ingredients. For the next step, you will need to blend together some soaked red chilies and add it to your pot. This step is optional, but you can add some pandan leaves for a nice aroma. Once your sambal looks like this and you see oil sipping out, it's time to add some tomatoes. Give it a few minutes and then you can add some salt and sugar. And now it's time to add a little bit of tamarind juice for a sourish flavor. Then go in with all of your fried chicken and allow it to cook for a couple more minutes. To finish the dish, add some white onions and give it a good mix. Look at that beautiful looking chicken sambal.